On the front, you have a 20-pound propane tank. It is all full and ready to go for you. Directly in behind is 2 deep cycle batteries for you. If you want to do solar panels, there's a plug that's back in here for the solar on the side. Power winch, so up and down for that, so that's for your roof. You have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 in each corner of the trailer, so you just put a 3/4 inch crank on there that's supplied to crank it down and up. Hot water heater is a DSI, so the switch for that to light it is inside the trailer. Cable inlet, air conditioner prep. This here is where you're going to plug your hydro in, so you're just going to line up the L, push the cord on. 25 feet of cords inside the trailer. City water connection is right here, so if the campsite has water, that's where you're going to put water in. The freshwater fill is right here for you. Down underneath is where you're going to drain your fresh water, so that's the little spigot valve there. This here is your outside shower, so there is a hose for that inside, so hot and cold taps there for you. The gray water drain, so anything that goes down the sink comes directly out of there. Your travel door is mounted up underneath here, so we will show you how to take that from there and put it to the side once you pack up. This track here is for your outside griddle and side table, so the propane for the griddle is going to come out of here. So pull back, connect it on, and then rotate for the flow of gas. Two 110 plugs, outside speaker, outside porch light. This is just your radio antenna. This here is your fridge. So how you run your fridge is all on the back of it. So the red button here is 12 volts, says so above. The green button here, 120, again says so above. And then your temperature setting is here. So 7 is the coldest, 1 being the warmest. The propane, so to light on propane, all you're going to do is turn it to the high position. You're going to push down and use the red igniter in behind. Once it lights, you hold it for a few seconds. You can verify that you do have flame through this hole here. It is very hard to see the flame. Once you're done, you turn it back to the off position. Camping door. So your camping door, very simple to put on, take off. So when you put it on, you're just going to bring it down. It velcros inside, outside, and there's a few tabs there. So one, we're going to take it off here. So you want to close the door. You have 2 tabs up here at the top you're going to turn. You have 4 tabs down here at the bottom. Once you have all that off, you go on Velcro. You're going to grab a hold just above the handle. You're going to grab the door. The top of the door slides over your head. The bottom of the door goes up. There's a bracket underneath there. So it just sits into there just like so. Another one of these turn tabs. Then what you're going to do is you're going to lift up on your roof and you're going to dome it up just like so. Down here at the bottom, as soon as you come in the trailer, so your ceiling lights are there. Awning light is the LED strip light underneath the awning. The Wi-Fi Ranger, so you turn it on there. Here's your password for that. Radio is there for you. Inside of the fridge, so it does have a travel lock, so if this is pointing out there like that, that's the fridge and travel lock position. Turn it to the left or to the right to open up the fridge. Underneath the couch there, so the gray panel that's here, so this guy here, that is your inverter power. So you just press the button, green light comes on. You're making 12 volt power turn into 120. It's only going to run your outlets. Directly beside it is the solar panel gauge, so it's going to tell you what the solar panels are doing and what voltage your batteries are at. Switch beside it here is your hot water heater, so all you do is just simply turn it on just like so. It will come on and ignite, do everything all by itself. Water pump switch is directly beside it. This here is your LP carbon monoxide detector. So if you ever have a gas leak or anything like that, it'll alarm you. 2 USB ports. Main GFI plug is right here. This guy here, so all your 110 breakers are on the left, all your 12 volt fuses are on the right. For your bunk ends here, so the nettings, so they just simply clip up on the clips here. To lower your main bar, you just take this guy out, and then it just lays across the bed just like so. The same thing goes with the back one. So 2 clips. Now you'll also notice at the end when you're clipping these guys in and out. So at the end here, when you're putting the bars back up, this right here, that is where the end of the bar is going. So it's just going onto the end of that black puck there. On the dinette here, so this is your crank for the stabilizer jacks. In the black bag here is your power cord. Again, that's 25 feet. You have 2 heated mattress cords. Now they plug into the end of the bed where the tags are. You get 1 bunk light fan combo. So this can go on either end. All you do is just simply plug it in just like a headphone. So your light, and then you have 2 speeds of fan as well. Now these do have to be turned on with your ceiling fans, or your ceiling lights, sorry. Then what you can do is you can turn off each individual one by pressing the center. 2 sets of keys here for you. So the black key is the travel door key, the gold key is the camping door key. You do get a remote here for the radio. There's the hose connection for the outside shower. They do also give you a hose end as well. Freshwater and freshwater wrench. Barbecue lifter. In the box is the griddle, and all the mounts and everything like you need to use it is in there for you. The brown envelope here, this is your owner's manual bag. And the black table here, this is your side table. So we are going to reposition this stuff here down to the floor. When you go to bring your beds in, nothing can be above your countertops. Up here at the top, this is how you're going to use your fantastic fan. So you just simply unlock, crank open, and just select your fan speed. Again, you need to have the ceiling light switch in the on position. And then crank back down and lock it up. The 3 burner stove top at the top here. So just turn whichever burner you wish to use and use a barbecue lighter to ignite. At the end here underneath the kitchen cabinet, so this here is your thermostat. So all the way to the left is in the off position, turning it over to the right is turning it on. This is for your thermostat for your furnace. Smoke detector at the roof there, so that is a 9-volt battery. So do remember to change that every year. So, and again, we're just going to throw all your hoses and everything down a little bit lower here so that the bed will clear when it comes in, and we'll be